Hello guys, and welcome to Pentium GA channel. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you how to make money online from your WhatsApp status. Are you aware you can make money online using your WhatsApp status, and you can also advertise your business as well? Okay, so with WhatsApp you can make money and also advertise your business online. You can reach out to many customers with WhatsApp. Okay, so kindly follow me as I show you the steps. Go to Play Store and download WhatsApp. Okay, so you have to create an account with WhatsApp. Okay, so you go to register. So now select your country. Okay, so selected my country and my mobile number. Okay, so I'm waiting to receive an SMS. Okay, so it's here. Okay, so it's verifying. Okay, so it's asking for my full name. Okay. Okay, so it's open for me. Okay guys, so with WhatsApp you can display your ads, your product. Maybe you have a firm, you are into training, you have a shop, anything. So we have categories here: food, sports, cars. Maybe you want to sell your car, you are into you're a musician and you deliver any services, you can put your ad here. But remember, if you want to promote your business, you will need at least 10 Ghana cedis or $2. Okay, so the higher you top up the amount, the more customers you reach out to. And also you can withdraw your money when you earn 5 Ghana cedi or more. Okay, so let me go to my account. Let me go to my wallet. So here I have nothing in my account. So here you can top up your account. Okay, so let me go back and check. Okay, so here if you want to create an ad, you go to create, then you just input the category. Maybe you are into hair making, you sell food stuffs, you sell electronic gadgets and other stuff, and you just enter in the information and you submit for review and you are done. Okay guys, so this is a very simple way to advertise your products and services and also make money as well by sharing ads on WhatsApp status. Thank you guys, and I hope you love it. Kindly subscribe for more updates from me. Thank you once again. Bye.